Sun-damaged skin, age spots, and wrinkles affects everyone. From Be Epic comes a powerful yet lightweight daily skin serum called Rejuvenate. This deeply penetrating collagen and elastin-boosting formulation moisturizes the skin and has a rejuvenating, anti-aging effect. It is proven to visibly lift and firm sagging skin and diminish fine wrinkles and deeper lines. In multiple studies, Rejuvenate's high-quality goji stem cell extract strengthens, repairs, and refines the skin. You can expect to see noticeable results within 30 to 45 days. Be Epic, a high-performance lifestyle product company.